All right, let's check this out. Look at all these fish. I think they are carp, even the small ones. But there's a bunch of them here. There's a big one down there. You jump in here, you hit a fish, that's for sure. Look at all of them. Fishies. I'm out here at Lake Mead. So look at that. There's way out there. There's just a bunch of them. There's all the ships, boats. There are some people that are some things out here that are ships, but it's really quiet out here. There's a huge one. Let's see if we can see that again. Oh, there it is. Swimming away pretty fast. Swimming away from that light. He's going under the dock. If you saw that or not, but it's another one's pretty big. 3 pounds or something. Yeah, those are definitely carp. The small ones, I guess they're all hanging out together, so they probably are all carp. There's some small ones around too. Well, there's your educational video tonight for God and Country.